I say hello to you all. My name is Nishant and you have reached the official YouTube channel of mytabletguru.com. You're watching this very video because you want to learn how to factory reset your tablet PC, your Android tablet PC. There could be various reasons why you want to do so, but this lock screen is certainly the most common reason, since you have forgotten the pattern password and you don't know how to enter inside the tablet. So factory reset is the easiest way by which you can still enter into the tablet. So let us learn it very quickly. The step number 1 is switch off your tablet PC first of all. For the record, let me tell you that we are using Carbon A34 TFone A34 model for this demo. These all process steps should work in almost all the tablet PCs present in the market right now, all the Android tablet PCs. Step number two is by pressing the volume up button and the power button together for some time. But before you perform this factory reset, make sure the tablet is properly charged. If not, do not hesitate to put power source into it. Now go for this step 2, power button and the volume button together for some time. Now you have reached to the boot mode of the tablet PC. To reach inside the options of the boot mode, you will have to press some buttons here. These all buttons again vary from tablet to tablet. Inside this tablet, you reach it by pressing the home button here. Now navigating inside is done by the volume keys. You have to select the fourth option from the top, which is wipe data factory reset. Again, selecting it will be done by the first button here. Again, you have to navigate using the volume buttons. You do it by using volume buttons. Delete all user data. But before you press delete, make sure that you don't have your memory card inserted, because this will delete the data from your phone as well as the external memory card which you have inside. Selecting it will be done by pressing this button. It shows it's written here that data wipe complete. Now you're all set to do the reboot system now, which again you will be selecting by pressing this very button. The tablet has restarted now. It's rebooting. But here let's see if we have got rid of that lock screen. Yes, the tablet is as fresh as it was when it was new. So that's it in this video. Hope this is helpful to you all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.